Hi everyone, so I'm back with another Let's Make. So I made these two little pockets for the journal that I'm working on. I've used book pages and I want to do two more, so I thought I would just do that on camera. Book pages, I'm always inspired by Patricia Veramontes, who makes amazing book page pockets. She's just the queen of book page pockets. Okay, so we'll start with this one here, and I'm using the autumn, what's it called now? Autumn medley from ARTYmaze. So I was meant to do this, but I got distracted talking to someone on Facebook. I wanted to cut all this out first. So yeah, that's the kit that I'm using. And these lovely collage pages on here just save you a load of work, because she's done it all for you. So thank you, Andrea. Okay, right. So I'm going to, I mean, if you're going to keep your book pages just like with a lot of the script already on it, just be mindful of the words. I will probably gesso just this little bit, just in case there's anything so you can't really see it. I had to do that on the other one. So I'm looking for images. As you can see here, I picked that bird, but it was from the other page. It's from that page. It's the birdie there. So I'm using this one now just to see what I can use. I might keep that pretty simple. So I'm just measuring with like my with my eye and folding things. That's just how I work. If you want to be if you want to get your not your score tool, your paper trimmer out. I need to get a small paper trimmer, you know, like a little A5 one or something, just to help with space. It's space I struggle with. Right, so that's going to go there. I'm sorry if you can hear my fan. It's very muggy outside today. The rain that we had last night was lovely, but it's left us all feeling like a lot of moisture in the air. So I'm just going to ink up around there. And I think, oh, there's a little bit of that bird there, but you know what? I'm going to use that. I'm going to put some little labels and things on as well. The labels that I'm using are freebies from ARTYmaze. You can find them on her Facebook group and on her website. Whoops. Okay, where's my book? Okay, that's going to be the bottom. That's, oh no, I need to trim a little bit more off of this. Okay. That would have been fun, gluing that whole piece down and it all hanging over. Okay, keep all them little bits because that will come in handy for something else. And my glue stick. I'm onto these ones now. Just trying to remember to put the lids on them. Okay, that's going to go there. Just making sure I'm in frame here. Okay. And then this piece, I am going to stitch around these, but I'll do that off camera at the end and then show you a picture at the beginning of the journal with all, well, the 4 that I've made. Hands are all sticky now from the glue. Okay. What did I do on the other ones? Okay, so that one there, I'd put a tab on. So I need to find a tab. And there's one just there. Some glue, use whatever glue you prefer. And try and center that as best as I can. Oops, that wasn't very good, was it? Here we go. Having one of those days where I keep forgetting stuff and I'm dropping stuff. And I had a great sleep last night. It's funny that the better the sleep I have, the worse I feel. So I'm going to use 2 of these as well, one for each pocket. These are from the Autumn Fruits Build a Tag kit. I have been linking them below because obviously at the moment that's what I'm using, a lot of those kits. And I've already done a DT. But I'm going to make maybe next week. I've got a few other things I need to do. I'm writing things down that I want to do, so I'm going to try and keep myself in the in the loop of doing what I say I'm going to do. Okay, I'm just going to back this onto some coffee paper just to make them a little bit more stable. Set that to one side for a sec. Okay, now this little thing I will put on here after I've sewn, and on there I've got a little oval, so I'm going to put a little oval. Oh, I might put it down there actually. No, I am going to put it up there. I'd like these in black. Hint hint. Does anyone know where you can get like these type of labels in black? Andrea's got loads of freebies, blue, red, green, brown, but not black. I think it would just pop with this kit. Right, while I'm waiting, oh yeah, words. I've got these little words as well. They're freebies, so I'm gonna use these too. You can get them on Andrea's website as well. I'm not sure if everything is that's on the Facebook group is on the website and vice versa. But I know these are on the website. Okay, that is going to go there. Right, I'm gonna, even though I'm not quite finished that one, I'm going to start on this one, which is that. So the paper that I oh, you know what I didn't do? I didn't ink up around all the edges here, so I'll do that while it's in my mind. Makes a big difference to inking up around the edges, you know, to have, you know, especially if you were using white cardstock, it just I don't like seeing the white, not unless the project requires it, but I do a lot of things that are vintage. See, there's the word sexy there. I mean, that could mean something not as in rude. I've seen cakes that look really sexy, as in they're really yummy to eat. Right, we'll come back to that. Okay, I'm going to not really going to see the book page at all. It's just a great way to use all these book pages up. I need to, around here, obviously, sorry, I didn't mention, these book pages are all doubled. They're all double book pages. From when I'm gluing, I sometimes glue like 2 of them together and then just put them to one side. So that's what this is. Just make sure like the edges are all done. And oh, my fingers don't want to work now. I'll do that in a bit. Right, so I've got some of this. Oh, look, perfect. That is going to fit on there just perfect. So like I say, I don't, you know, I don't really measure anything as such. Just eyeball it all. Okay. What side did I just glue down? This side. So that's going to be my top. That is going to be my bottom. My bottom. Well, that will be the bottom. This is. I'm going to add a few things onto the top of this as well. And we will glue that on. Just going to turn that to the side so that, because I can't get my head right over. Normally that just picks up. Picks up with my finger, but not today. Of course not, I'm on camera. See, these are like really quick and easy things to do. So I'm just trying to get the glue off my fingers. Yeah, very, very quick and easy projects. I don't like long. I don't like spending like an hour on something. Like one item. Okay, that doesn't want to center. Okay. There we go. And just the backs of these I'm going to ink up, because obviously you're going to see them. Then I need to ink up the little bit that I just notched out. Okay, what did I do with that one? I used a label, which, let me see. Let me cut these out. Need to ink up. Right. Obviously I don't want it to be the same, so I might do it that way. I shall do it that way. Then a little bit of glue on here. That doesn't want to come up. I think it's because there's too much glue on the actual page there. Take that off. And we glue this down. I don't know where I want to put that. That could actually go down here on the label, because I don't, do I want it up there? Yeah, I'll put it up the top. Okay, just need to trim this. Ink it up. That's going on this one, and it's going to go, where do I want that actually? Oops, not upside down for starters. Yeah, I think I'll have it up the top here, just above the birdie's head. So I'm going to gesso that, and once I've gessoed that I will let it dry. I will do the stitching off screen and you will see these at the all of them at the beginning of this video. Okay, so obviously that one's drying. I'll stitch around that and then glue that together. That's the ones I've already done, and obviously waiting for the gesso to do on that. So that's how quick and easy they are. The links to the kit will be below as well, because look at that, it's an awesome kit. And the freebies, like I said, I've mentioned where you can get the freebies. Any questions, just ask, and have a great day. Bye.